Hello students, myself Muttura JNP, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysuru. Now I will explain you people how to derive the relation between the utilization factor epsilon and the degree of reaction R. Let us go for the derivation. You know that this one utilization factor is given by the maximum work that can be achieved, this one denominator, numerator amount of work done, the amount of work done to the maximum work that can be extract from the fluid, and then R is given by the static energy to the total energy, that is S divided by D plus S. So here small calculation is there, just to go through this calculation. You know degree of reaction R is equal to S divided by S plus D. Take this reciprocal, you will get S plus D divided by S, then 1 divided by R. This one split S by S, D by S, 1. So 1 by 1 by R, it is equal to S by S is 1, D by S, and you are taking left, then it will be 1 by R minus 1, it is equal to D by divided by S. 1 minus R divided by R, it is equal to D divided by S. Therefore S is equal to rearranging this equation, D into R divided by 1 minus R. Please while practicing all these derivations, you please keep your pen notebook, then only you can understand next steps. So you can't understand simply, please follow the turn. And then dynamic enthalpy is given, this one. Static enthalpy will be given the V1 square minus V2 square divided by 2gc. Static enthalpy is U1 square minus U2 square divided by 2gc plus VR2 square divided minus VR1 square divided by 2gc. Next, this derivation, see, V1 square minus V2 square, I put D, S, and then V1 square divided by plus S. So you can understand this one. Already you know that S is equal to D into R divided by 1 minus R. This equation, this one you put here, and then just here only already you put everything. Only the thing is to simplify this one. So simplify this one like this. 1 minus R multiply with this one, and V1 square minus V2 square into R divided by 1 minus R, this one. So you just I kept this one in the red mark, this will get cancelled. So getting my point, 1 minus R into V1 square plus V1 square minus R V2 square into R. Okay, just keep in your mind, just go for the simplification. Here 1 into V1 square minus V2 square R minus V1 square, minus into minus plus R V2 square plus R V1 square minus like R V2 square. So similarly V1 square minus R V2 square, R V1 square minus R V2 square, whatever the thing in the red mark, everything will be get cancelled. So just that will be get cancelled. You will be get the relation between utilization factor and then degree of reaction in the absolute velocity. This is a very important equation. You must know this equation while solving the problem also, as well to solve the other derivations also. Thank you.